Hey everyone, it's Airplane Kid 95, and today it's part 2 of the Parrot Swing review. We finally got a break in the weather, so we're gonna finally fly it and see its full capabilities outside. And another side note, Parrot had just released a new firmware update, which now adds stunts to your drone. So you can now do loops and rolls with your Parrot Swing in airplane mode, as well as automated pirouettes in quad mode. So let's get going. Yeah, it's a bit breezy in quad mode. Alright, let's transition to plane mode, see if it'll be better off. Ready? Yeah, it's still a bit breezy for it. There we go. Now we're in full plane mode. Flies pretty nice. Very smooth. Tight turns. See what happens when I press the loop button, which is B on the transmitter. So I guess get it some height first. And look how high it is. Alright, let's do a loop. Did a partial loop. Oh, so it's still in half quad mode. Hold on. Alright, transition back to quad. Whoa. Oh, there's our first crash test. See how it did. Clipped a tree. No damage. Alright, let's try again. There goes my sunglasses. Alright. Let's take off again. I get it back into full plane mode. There. It's the only way I can fight the wind is in full tilt. I think zips pretty quick. Just hit stop, it goes instantly to quad mode. Alright. Let's transition back to plane mode. Let's try to do a loop. Oh wow, look at that. There's a full loop. Hopefully I got that in the frame. Here's another one. Let's do a barrel roll. Get enough space for it though. Ooh, into the tree again. At least I'm testing its durability too. You know, this thing's quite expensive, but this thing looks like it could take a beating. Sure enough, it can. Oh, I'm not using the app for anything. Just flying completely by remote control. Where's some of that debris? That was when we press the stunt buttons in quad mode. Number 1 does a pirouette. Number 2, opposite pirouette. B doesn't do anything. Oh, B does pirouettes too. Get a close-up shot. And now, let's transition to plane mode. It's kind of sloppy on the stunts, probably because of the breeze out here. It's still pretty cool to see something like this do loops. Let's do a barrel roll. Flying it out that way. Go to sure likes crashing into that tree. Got some dirt and mud on there. Easily wipe that off. Hello. It's a Parrot drone. Parrot Swing. It's a plane and a drone in one. See, right now it's hovering in quad mode, quadcopter. Then I got transitioned it into an airplane, like that.
That is that's cool. Does it have a built-in camera?
It has a camera, but it's kind of worthless, to be honest. It only uses it to determine its height. It has automated height control. Yeah. Oh, my battery's getting low. Time to bring it in. Huh? You go pretty high on this one. I haven't really tested its full range. So, there we go. There's the Parrot Swing outdoor flight.